Hi everybody, Scott Hollister with Golfdom Magazine. We are day 2 of the GCSAA Conference and Trade Show in Orlando, Florida, and we're visiting with our friends at Brandt. John Erickson. John, great to see you again. How's everything?
Good seeing you. It's going great. Very busy.
Good. That's awesome to hear. Well, what is Brandt in the conversations you've had? We've had a full day of the trade show under our belt. What conversations are you and your teammates having with superintendents?
Oh, it's been there's a lot across the board, but what we do is we have a lot of kits that are programs that we actually have developed that are very cost friendly to superintendents and lawn care operators.
Okay.
And we've done really well with that. We've developed some kits that are basically programs for superintendents because they have a lot to worry about. They have their fungicides, their insecticides, and we're seeing a lot more people saying, "Hey, just give me something that will work for my turf to keep it as healthy as we can." So we've developed these kits. They've really taken off and they've done really well for us, and they're very cost friendly. We have kits that are 3 acres. We have kits that are 6 acres. We have kits that cover 1.5 acres. So there's a really for everybody, and a lawn care kit too. So
nice.
So it's something for everybody. And I think in this day and age with foliars, it really makes sense for us because we are a foliar company, and our whole goal is to make that plant healthier. Those superintendents, they do what they need to do. They get the green speeds they do, and it's been really successful for us. These kits.
That's great.
Yeah,
that's great. I know in your world, new products, new development, new improvements can be a long road.
Yes.
Are there anything on the horizon that superintendents should be looking from Brandt?
Yeah, and the beauty that because we're such a large ag company, they usually hit the ag market, and then the turf and ornamental can get those out of them. And we actually have 2 products one we launched this year, and it's called BioFlex, and it's a really good product it's a biostimulant product, which a lot of people are going to. So you can get talking about these kits, but you always want to add something to give you an edge. And the biostimulant market's really doing that. And with that BioFlex does a really good job of extending water windows for guys a little bit. So it's really good for stress. And then we have our Resinone, which has been very popular for thatch management. We're actually making it now Resinone UV. And that's going to protect the bacillus bacteria that we put in the jug. So when these guys spray it on their canopies, UV is not going to degrade it or break it down. So yeah, we have 2 really exciting products that we're pretty hyped about.
Yeah, that is great stuff. If folks want to learn more about all of that and everything that Brandt has to offer, where do they go?
They'll go to brandt.co.
Brandt.co.
That'll be the one. Yep.
Well, John, thank you so much. It's great seeing you again. We always love doing the best backdrop in the trade show here for these videos. So thanks for your time today. He's John Erickson with Brandt. I'm Scott Hollister. Thanks for watching on Golfdom TV.